Introducing the Honeywell Granit Ultra, the next generation of ultra-rugged scanning technology designed to elevate productivity and withstand the toughest conditions. Imagine scanning at lightning speed. The Granit Ultra is engineered to read and transmit barcodes the moment you pull the trigger, or even faster, capturing multiple barcodes at one time to multiply productivity. Say goodbye to delays or slow, error-prone manual data entry caused by poor code quality. Our advanced AI algorithms help the Granit Ultra read a greater range of smudged, torn, or damaged barcodes. In the real world, durability is key. Withstanding 10-foot drops and high tumble counts, the Granit Ultra operates reliably from deep freezers to extreme heat. Our scratch and impact-resistant scan window keeps your optics protected. Plus, Honeywell's rigorous cable standards ensure every aspect of your device remains robust. Ease of use is our priority. The Granit Ultra is ready to operate right out of the box. Whether you're scanning in bulk or pinpointing a single barcode, our ergonomic design makes it comfortable for all users. Advanced features like our data format editor allow you to read multiple codes at once, streamlining your data output. Or Granit Ultra can be configured to read only the code, aligned with the aimer for precision targeting, because ease of use can get even better with performance tailored to your workflow. Upgrade your operations with the Honeywell Granit Ultra. Contact your Honeywell representative or partner today to learn more.